Misha here. I'm back with another video. So this is just going to be a super quick tutorial on how I achieved this high puff look. I used no gel and it's on day-old hair, and it's just a super quick video on how I do that. So if you like this video, please comment below, like, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so thanks for clicking. I hope you enjoy the video and thanks for watching.
Okay, so I'm just starting on old hair. This was like an old wash and go that I did like a few days ago, and I was just like sleeping in it, so it looks a hot mess. So what I do is after I take off my bonnet, I just like to stretch out my hair, you know, so it can like look normal. Then I'm just going in with my spritz bottle, just spraying it with water just to like loosen up the curls and like get it from looking so stiff, give it a little more moisture, a little more life. Like I said, this is an old wash and go, so there's like a lot of product on my hair, so I'm not really gonna add any more product. I'm just kind of like waking up my hair basically for the day. So yeah, after I spritz all that water, I just go in and like make sure the water is penetrating and, you know, moving my hair around so it can be looser and softer and things like that to get out of those mats from sleeping on it. So now I'm going in with my black castor oil, which I love. It's just an amazing oil, and I just put a little and put it in my hair, and it just really helps give me shine, moisture, softness, and all of that great stuff. So, and it smells really good. So now I'm going with my diamond brush, just brushing out the front parts of my hair and also the perimeter, as you'll see in a little bit, just to kind of get things ready to be put in a high puff. I just like to do that to smooth it all down so it looks a little more professional, and then I go in with a hard bristle brush and do the same thing. I'm not using any gel, like I said, because I already have so much product in my hair. This is just literally just smooth it out. Then I'm going in with a stretched out headband, and I'm just gonna like wrap it around twice, as you can see. And that's what I'm gonna be using to put my hair in the high puff. I don't use the broken band method just because what if I want to use my headband again? I don't know. But yeah, and then I just like pull it all the way up until the hair is on top of my head. And as you can see, like the back of my hair is like really smooth and stuff because of the diamond brush and the bristle brush. So that's why I do it. And I'm just like going in and pushing all of my hair to where I want it to be. And then after I get it kind of where I want, I just spritz with more water, play around with it so it can get a little bigger. Usually I'll go in with like a pick or something, but I couldn't find my pick, and also I was rushing, so I'm just using my hands and fingers just to lift everything up and make sure it's where I want it to be. If you want, you could do your edges. I didn't do my edges because I just didn't feel like it, but a lot of people do your edges, but I don't think you have to when it's all smoothed out. And I'm just showing you the back and how it looks. So yeah, so my curls are like kind of there, even though it's an old wash and go. That's why I spritzed the water so you can still see the curls and all of that. And now it's pretty dry, so that's just like how it's looking. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.